guys, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, I'm gonna give you tips and ideas on how to make an ice cream for dolls. And we will be needing a brown colored paper right here, a glue, scissor, a cotton ball, and acrylic paint. Okay, so let's start. And we are already done. Oh, it looks so yummy. it's it's vanilla ice cream with some syrup of chocolate, I guess. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and again follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Any kinds of suggestions, guys, just comment down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time to our next video. Bye!